Ready to unlock the full potential of Adobe Photoshop CS6 and transform your images and designs? Let's dive in. First, let's talk selection tools. Mastering these is key. Select the Quick Selection tool, located in a toolbar. Click and drag over your target image to make a rough selection. CS6 automatically detects edges. You can add or subtract areas using the plus and options at the top. This is great for isolating subjects quickly. Now, let's utilize one of the most important parts of Photoshop CS6, layers. Check out the Layers panel. Usually on the right, duplicate your base image by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer. Working non-destructively is crucial. This means you can always go back to your original image from here. You can adjust the layer's blending modes. Next, let's explore some awesome image adjustments. Go to the Windows panel and select Adjustments. If it is not already open here, you will find adjustments like brightness, contrast and levels. Adjust these controls to make your images pop. Play with the sliders until you like the effects. Finally, unleash your creative flair with some graphic design tips. Experiment with overlay blend modes, such as multiply or screen, to produce interesting results between layers. Use the text and shape tools to create captivating compositions. Take your projects further by introducing different textures on your layers. And that's a taste of the amazing world of Photoshop CS6. Keep practicing, experimenting, and don't be afraid to try new things. Subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Remember to like and share.